Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the face puzzle filter on TikTok. It's really easy to get, just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're on your TikTok application, you want to go to the bottom Discover tab, and you just want to go up to the top search bar and just search for face puzzle. And once you type in face puzzle, you'll see a bunch of videos with the filter on it. You just want to click on one of the videos, and right above the person's username, you'll see the little icon that says face puzzle with the little yellow star. So you want to click on that, and then from here, you'll be able to add it to your favorites at the top, and you'll be able to make your own videos on TikTok with it. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the face puzzle filter on TikTok. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.